2 मई 2025 को पट खुलने वाला है। वो ऋषिकेश आएगी जो 7 किलोमीटर दूर है रुद्रप्रयाग से। आई एम अ बॉम्बे गर्ल, fully brought, pampered, shielded, who is always मतलब 1 किलोमीटर चलना क्या है वो भी नहीं पता। I completed 3.5 kilometers in one stretch. Hardly सांस लेने के लिए रुकी and I just went going and it was like someone was just pulling me. करियर कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, रिलेशनशिप्स कुछ नहीं, फैमिली में इतना प्रॉब्लम है, हेल्थ खराब है। मैंने स्नो का एस भी नहीं देखा है जिंदगी में, वहां ओले पड़ रहे थे। आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस गर्ल मैनेजेस टू वॉक 22 kilometers with a 11 kg backpack. But there was this one energy that kept on saying that just walk, just one more day, one more day, just survive one more day. And that's, I went alone when I was climbing the mountain, but when I was coming down, I can feel that I have someone with me. Hi everyone, आज सिर्फ मैं हूँ और आज मैं like it's only me talking and I want to pause this particular moment, everything that's happening right now, and I want to share what I'm feeling, my gratitude and everything with everyone out there, right? But before that, let's start with a story. This is a story of this girl who has been terrorized, troubled, trembled in peak of her depression, anxiety, and struggling to survive from the past 1.5, 2 years, who has seen back-to-back things happening in her life. Name it, and that must have happened, right? And all along this journey, she didn't know what was pulling her. She didn't know how she could survive or even look at life ahead or just see a future because there was none. राइट देयर वाज नन। करियर कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, रिलेशनशिप्स कुछ नहीं, फैमिली में इतना प्रॉब्लम है, हेल्थ खराब है, everything just, but there was this one energy that kept on saying that just walk, just one more day, one more day, just survive one more day. And that energy was, and this person, this girl kept that faith on that energy and just was like, okay, one more moment, one more day, one more moment. That's it. She just did that. Of course, for the last 1.5 years, but she started that journey long back. Why am I telling you this? Because it all boiled down to that moment when I'm a Bombay girl. Fully brought, pampered, shielded, who is always मतलब 1 किलोमीटर चलना क्या है वो भी नहीं पता. I don't know how this girl manages to walk 22 kilometers with a 11 kg backpack. And मुंबई के लोग वो जानते हैं वहाँ 18 डिग्री भी हो जाती है, तो हमारे मफलर्स जैकेट सब बाहर निकल आ जाते हैं. This girl has managed to survive in -7 degree. Nothing was planned. Nothing was planned at all. She didn't even know that 2 May 2025 को पट खुलने वाला है. वो ऋषिकेश आएगी जो 7 किलोमीटर दूर है रुद्रप्रयाग से. 7 घंटे दूर है रुद्रप्रयाग से और वो बस पहुंच जाएगी वहां. She just went. In that journey, I went alone. I went alone when I was climbing the mountain. But when I was coming down, I can feel that I have someone with me. I have that sense of being for someone, being with someone, belonging to someone, and someone being there for me. I didn't walk down alone. And I know a lot of people must be thinking that I don't know. Please understand, I am very educated. I've done my MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. I have worked in big companies, everything. I've seen the most peakest careers. I've seen those as well. But I'm not kidding when I say this. I started my journey, I was alone. And in life also, when you become in that phase that mostly सब कुछ में तुम अकेले ही जूझ रहे होते हो. But then when I walked down from so many years, that sense of emptiness just got filled. That sense of that you're alone existing just disappeared, which was my biggest fear. It just vanished. And trust me, मैं कुछ इतनी धार्मिक नहीं हूँ या नहीं थी पहले, all of that, right? I was just a person who had faith, who believed in goodness in people and just believed in working hard towards her goals. That's it. He still, chose to help me. He still chose to be like, hey, I see you and I see what you've been through. It was an extremely uphill trek. मैंने स्नो का एस भी नहीं देखा है जिंदगी में, वहां ओले पड़ रहे थे. And I had gone completely unprepared. मैं कच्चे और literally I had come in hot shorts and a ganji to Rishikesh because इधर भी गर्मी है. And I don't know what got into me. I went to Decathlon, got the stuff, met this amazing person who literally made this trip happen for me. In one say, he just said that I'm going to get on, and then I just hopped on. Thank you so much, Abhishek. letting me trust you and letting this happen for me. It was unreal what I experienced, what I felt, completely unreal. He literally sat there and he was like, listen, you know what? Let me just teach you these lessons. It's high time that you learn them. Number one, very important, patience. You have got everything like this. You're very used to getting everything like this in life, right? This is 22 kilometers. No matter what you do, whatever you do, you are going to take 10 to 11 hours. It's your speed. So you have to walk. You just have to walk. There's not a shortcut. There's not a quick fix. Oh, you all will tell me, अरे helicopter है, there's पिट्ठू कर लेते हैं, horse है. नहीं, कुछ नहीं. मन ही नहीं किया. Helicopter भी कर लेती मैं, but मन ही नहीं किया. कुछ भी नहीं. I was trying and struggling to be here for so many years, so many months, and he wanted me to walk. Second thing, which is also extremely important, which he taught me was no matter what, you have to help yourself. I'm going to say with that because we all have romanticized so much about some person coming to save me or some person coming to save a girl. I mean, girls, I relate to you, okay? But he was like, you know what? No, I made you your own individual identity. You have 2 feet, you have a back, take that 11 kgs and walk. Nobody's going to pick that up for you. Nobody's going to make your 2 feet walk. Nobody's going to teach you how to breathe. Nobody's going to tell you eat this, eat that. No, none of that bullshit. You are responsible for your belongings, your life, and your survival to reach to the top. That's it. कोई तुम्हारे लिए सांस तो नहीं ले सकता ना यार, तुम्हें ही लेना पड़ेगा. The next thing that he thought was you just have to keep going. वो बोलते हैं ना, कर्म करते जाओ and don't worry about what's going to happen. And that's what happened, right? Just keep on doing it. Trust me, there was moments when I was like, what's going to happen, bro? I mean, when it started raining and I was like, not my scene. But it was like, you just need to keep going. Whatever the weather, whatever the circumstances, sit back and just do the stuff that you have to do. What is in your control? Was the weather in your control? No. But was your body in your control? Your legs, your feet, everything? Yes. Just do what's in your control. And one of the most powerful things that I felt, and it happened when in the last 3.5 kilometers, I remember. And just to put numbers, right? I started at 7 a.m. in the morning. I started the uphill. I reached midpoint by 2, 3, I don't remember, I think 2, 3. And then the 3.5 kilometers ऊपर का एकदम main patch है. उधर हम पहुंचे around 7. And everybody's like, अभी इधर से 3 घंटे और लगने वाले because it was a very peak uphill and we were literally gone. I completed 3.5 kilometers in one stretch. Hardly सांस लेने के लिए रुके, and I just went going, and it was like someone was just pulling me. Like, they were like, you know what? Just do your stuff. I'm here. Just walk. You need to just walk. Can't you just do one thing that I've told you? And I will literally do everything else. I'll give you the energy. I'll give you the support. I'll give you the power to just do everything else. You just have to walk. That's happened. I just got pulled. Stop. And I was screaming and I was pulling everyone else with me. And I was like, you know what? You have to do this. We have to do this. We have to finish this. There was so much of rush. इतनी भीड़ थी वहाँ. And दर्शन लेना इतना मुश्किल. भाई क्लब्स में एंट्रीज में भी मैं लाइन में नहीं खड़ी रहती हूँ. I'm as a Bombay girl can be, but none of that gave me happiness. None of it. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I have grown to believe that faith exists and it can be in anything you want. You don't have to have faith in, say, Lord Shiva, but you can have faith in everyone, anyone. But just have faith in the energy, in the universe, in someone who's looking out for you, no matter what, and just believe in yourself. I mean, trust me, I've run, rushed, found, and gave so much of my warmth, love, affection, good thoughts, words, moments, experiences to so many people that didn't deserve it. Or maybe they did in hindsight, but never mind. We've been taught that you don't need to expect, you just have to give and do your thing. But yeah, don't find people outside. People will come. Find yourself and find your faith. And that's very, very important. Very, very. And this is for all my girls, like all of y'all. I can't even tell you how much I relate to every person out there, be it your struggles with your family, be it your struggles with your health, your fears, your dreams, societal pressures, everything, just everything. And just have faith, please. I survived it. And that's what I told him also when I entered the main temple. I didn't wish for anything. I didn't. I just cried and I thanked him. I thanked him to letting me survive, to pushing me to just live one more day, seeing the good, still keeping me the way I am, making me believe that there's nothing wrong in being like this, seeing good in people, trusting easily, having faith, being kind, generous. And just me, I come from a very competitive, toxic world as well. Corporate majdoori, 9 to 5. Too many work hours, all of those shit. Lastly, I'm literally wearing a simple white kurta, earrings of the street of Rishikesh, from the streets of Rishikesh, and I've never felt more beautiful. Even while I was wearing the best brands, even while I was wearing the Coach Chanel's of the world, because I realized that pretty comes from here, yeah. And this is all natural. Like I've never looked, and my skin has never looked this glowing. Like I wish I could. I mean, I should. I'll pin my photo of how I used to look just a couple of days, months back, and you'll see the difference that it's created. This journey of hugging myself a little tighter and of telling myself that there's someone out there looking out for you. And do a trek. Please do a spiritual trip, do a healing session, or just practice some meditation, sitting down and just the basics, You can get it on YouTube. Now I'm gonna go 3 days. I have not slept or eaten. Literally tired myself to the core by walking 22 kilometers up and then 22 kilometers back. Traveled 7 hours from Rishikesh to Rudraprayag and back, and still I'm surviving on 4 hours of sleep. And haven't been this fresh ever in my life. I have no dark circles. My skin is glowing. I'm glowing. It's okay to be alone, okay? Oh, did we establish we're not alone? See yourself.